Reverse fire drills. The bell for a fire rings before the school day. Do you know where to go? What if it rings during break or at lunchtime? First of all, stay calm. For all fire drills that happen outside of class time, meet quickly and quietly on the field. Locate the teacher who taught the class you were in before the break or lunch. If first period hasn't started, find your first period teacher and line up with the class you were in before. Wait a minute. What happens if there's a lockdown outside of class time? If a lockdown is called during non-class time, run to the classroom that's closest to you. Teachers are instructed to quickly sweep the area close to them and lock doors, so you need to move fast. Once the doors are locked, they won't be able to let you in. If you're unable to make it to a close-by classroom, find a place to hide and don't make noises that will draw attention to yourself. If you have been spotted by the intruder, run away as fast as you can.